In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type finger-crossed emoji in Outlook. We'll start right from the browser so you can follow along easily. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your inbox. Once you're in, click New Mail to open a fresh message. Click inside the message body to place your cursor where you want the emoji to appear. This matters because Outlook will insert the emoji exactly where your cursor is sitting. Now look at the toolbar in the Compose window and find Insert. Click Insert, then select Emoji. This opens Outlook's emoji picker. Along the top or side of that panel, you'll see categories. Click the People category icon to filter to hand gestures and faces. Scroll through until you find the fingers crossed emoji. When you see it, click it once and Outlook will drop it right into your message. If your emoji panel supports it, you might see skin tone options right after you click. Choose the tone you prefer and it will insert instantly. If you don't see that option, don't worry. Just clicking the emoji will insert the standard version. If you prefer a faster method, here's a handy shortcut that works great on Windows. With your cursor still in the message body, press the Windows key and the period key together. That opens the Windows emoji panel on top of Outlook. You can scroll to the People section or simply start typing crossed in the panel's search box to jump right to the fingers crossed emoji. Click it, and it's added to your email immediately. The best part is that this shortcut works anywhere you can type on Windows, so once you know it, you can use it beyond Outlook too. After inserting the emoji, continue writing your message as normal. If the emoji lands in the wrong spot, just cut and paste it to move it, or press undo and reinsert it with your cursor in the correct place. When you're happy with your email, add your recipients and subject and send it off. That's all you need to add the fingers crossed emoji in Outlook, either through Insert an Emoji in the Composer or with the Windows key plus period shortcut for a quick drop-in. Try both and use the one that feels fastest for you.